You've been eyeing Housecall Pro. It looks slick, it promises efficiency, and it's designed to make your business run smoother. But there's a catch, or is there? You're wondering, is there a free version of Housecall Pro? That's a great question. Let's dive in. First off, let's be real. If there was a fully featured, free version of a software as robust as Housecall Pro, everyone would be using it. It's like asking if there's a free version of a Ferrari. Sure, you could get a toy car, but it won't get you from point A to point B in style or speed. Housecall Pro is a business tool, and like any good tool, it comes with a price tag. It's designed to generate revenue for your business, and to do that, it needs to provide value. That value comes in the form of features, support, and constant updates. But don't get discouraged. Just because there isn't a free version doesn't mean Housecall Pro isn't worth the investment. Let's break down why. Time is money. Housecall Pro automates a ton of tasks, from scheduling to invoicing. Every minute you save is potentially $1 earned. Professional image. Using a professional software like Housecall Pro can elevate your business's image in the eyes of clients. Growth potential. As your business expands, Housecall Pro can scale with you, offering features to accommodate your increased workload. So, while there might not be a free Housecall Pro, the investment could be one of the best decisions for your business. But wait, there's more. Many software companies offer free trials or demos. This is a great way to test drive the software before committing. You can explore the features, see how it integrates with your workflow, and decide if it's the right fit. Additionally, there might be alternatives to Housecall Pro. While they might not have the same feature set, they could offer a free or lower cost option. It's worth exploring your options. Remember, the best tool for your business is the one that helps you achieve your goals efficiently and profitably. Whether it's Housecall Pro or something else, make sure to do your research and weigh the pros and cons. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.